Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Cult of the Lamb on your PC and or laptop. Now really simply, you are going to need to download Steam first, so please download that, make an account and then log in. So once you are logged in, you're going to go to your store on the top left hand corner. On the top right hand corner you're going to type in the name of the game you're after, so Cult of the Lamb. You're going to click on the first option that appears here. Once this here loads, you're going to scroll down to where it says here Add to Cart, click on this. Going to click on here, view my cart. Now from here, you're going to go to continue to payment, and then you're going to be able to select your payment method, PayPal, credit card, etc. Select the drive you wish to install it to. Once it's been installed and you've downloaded the game, to find the game, go to your library in the top left hand corner. Over here where it says search, type in the name of the game, double click, and then you can start playing. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.